Hello guys, and welcome to episode 3 of Level Design. Now today I did the railroad, a fallen railroad type train crash thing. I wanted to do this because, well, if you don't know, I'm making a video game called Only Survivor, and it's an apocalyptic game. Now this scene takes place in the level of Only Survivor. So I guess it's kind of helping me out here that I'm doing level design, and it's going to be in Only Survivor, so it's gonna, what you see here will be in my game. At the end you'll see kind of a gap at the back of the scene. I want to try to start a little bit of a series on this. I want to make videos and continue to build off of what I built last time. So after this train, maybe I'll do like an apocalyptic train station around it. I think that would be pretty cool. Yeah. This video is sped up by 10 times speed. Just so you know. At the end, I think this might not be my best work, but I also think that because of the gap near the back. And, well, once it's fixed, once there's stuff there, it should be better. For Only Survivor, oh, I forgot to remove the text in the corner, just realized that. For Only Survivor, not everything will be, like, apocalyptic. Some things will be still intact. But I just really thought, like, a train scene would be really cool. Just, where do you actually see that in Unity? I haven't seen a fallen train or something like that in Unity before. So I want to try and build it. Or at least start to build it. And, yeah. Completely lost my train of thought. Well, right now I'm building a coach car that flew off the side of the track and knocked over a few trees. I think that adds a little bit to the scene. I also didn't forget the particles like I did in the first one, which is good. Just good. Also, from my last video, the hiking trail, I'm kind of going back and forth on which one is better here. I think the hiking trail is better because it brings out, it's actually finished, first of all. And, oh man, I think I'm gonna have to give it to the train crash, even though it's not a finished product. Next video you see, there shouldn't be a gap in the back. So this is basically part 1 of a part 2 thing. I'm adding some birds to add some ambience, or, you know, just life. Even though in an apocalyptic setting you really won't find a lot of life, you'll just see a lot of dead stuff. Which I need to get more assets for broken crash and everything. At the end, the very end of the video, I will show you guys that this will be a continued series type thing, and that we still have a lot more space to fill in. So, that's coming up. Here is the scene right now. I didn't want to go through the process of baking it, so I just slapped it off the Unity editor, and here is the scene, or the video, where I just start screaming my mouse around, showing you guys that this is not finished. Thank you for watching the video, and please drop a like and subscribe.